question we're going to answer today is the Hellcat reliable? According to Google, Mr. Google, reliability is the amount of times the car is needing repair or has to be repaired and the cost of that repair. Which means that if you own a car for a year, how often do you have to bring it in for repairs or to the dealer for issues that may come up during the year? So that's the reliability definition. Now, according to 2022 survey, the number one car in reliability is Toyota. Dodge placed number 9 out of 10 as far as reliability. But as an owner, I wanted to share with you that in my 1 year of ownership of this car with 20,000 plus miles driven, and I drive it hard even during the winter time, I've had no problems with the Hellcat. The only time I go to the dealer is to have an oil change, basically a service. As far as any issues that are unknown or any repairs that were needed after it was ordered from the factory, I had none of those. So as far as I'm concerned, this car is reliable, which means you can rely on it, that every time you start it, you hop on it, it'll go. It'll take you to places where you want to be and will take you home with no issues. So among the many cars I've owned through the years, this is probably, the Hellcat is probably the most reliable car I've ever had. So that answers that question. If you're concerned that you're gonna buy a Dodge, a Hellcat, an expensive car, and are you gonna be able to rely on it if you're gonna daily drive it? As an owner of a Hellcat, I can say absolutely. No problem whatsoever. Obviously, if you abuse the car, any car, even a Toyota, will have problems. So if you take care of your car, you will have no issues for any car. But there are cars that's just problematic. Case in point, my company car. It's a Chevy Equinox. The first day I picked it out, as after it got delivered, I had to return it to the dealer and they took 3 months to repair it for an XM antenna issue. That means the quality control at the plant when they were building the car was not so good that when delivered to the customer, it didn't do well. And being ranked number 9 in the 2022 reliability survey would potentially tell you that Dodge is not reliable, but that's just not true. My experience with this car is it's reliable. Not only it is reliable, it's probably the most enjoyable car you can drive. And if you're wanting to enjoy your commute and have fun with what you're driving, this is the car for you. So I highly recommend this car as far as enjoyment, drivability, and reliability. Maintenance is not that expensive either, so that just answers the question right there. So if you are on the fence, if you're going to get a Hellcat, go get it. It will serve you well. Even if you drive it a lot like I do, 20,000 miles, or you just drive from time to time. You can be rest assured that as an owner here sharing experience with you, that you will have a wonderful time with the car with no issues whatsoever, because I haven't. 20,000 miles in 1 year. Probably gonna put another 20,000 miles this year. So there you go. Hope you like this video. Click the like button, and if you're people that you know that are looking for Hellcat, share this video so they know. And we just don't go by the survey. Owner experience is probably the more important thing when you're coming from a real owner that actually drives the car. All right, hope you like this video. Click the thumbs up and subscribe and share. I will see you next time.